Do you know how easy it is to fill text with an image in InDesign? Well, let me show you how in a few easy steps. Be sure to stay to the end for a bonus tip. I'm Darren Goddard, a senior creative with over 20 years experience in creative production. Well, enough about me, let's jump in the tutorial. So in InDesign, I've got my text box with my text in it and my image. So the first thing you need to do, just copy the text in case you need to refer to it later. Then you need to select your text and make it an outline. So up to the type menu, create outlines. Then we need to ungroup this. So we need to go over to the object menu, ungroup. This makes it individual elements. You can click on that one, then that one, then that one. Next is to select the whole lot and then go over to the Pathfinder menu, which I have open there. If not, it's under the window at the top. Select that, which will combine it into one shape. Then we have it as one shape. I like to copy the image as well, like we did the text, so I'll just duplicate that. Then we can select the image and move it into position over the text. We then need to cut the image, so we go edit, cut, select the text under edit and paste into. And now we can see that the text has the image sitting inside it. We can select the image and move it around to our desired position. And also, if we want to, we can scale it up using the scale tool. So we can see, we can make it a little bit larger. If you wanted to, you could reposition it again. Just like that. So you can get the best effect you want. So that's how you place an image inside text within InDesign. So that's it. In just a few clicks, you've been able to add an image into text in InDesign. I told you it was going to be easy and quick. If you like this content and would like to see more, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel. If you'd like this in a PDF format, please comment image in the box below. Thanks and keep creating. And by the way, if you'd like more content like this, check out this video here.